Hey guys, welcome to today's day in the life. Say hey, Maddie. Say hey. My Bella is sick, y'all. She hasn't eaten or drank in a few days. But this morning, she drank a little bit and ate a little bit. So let's hope she get better. So we won't have to take a vet visit because we know that that's expensive. And it's not in our budget right now. So we'll give her one more day and see how she do. And then we're going to have to try to figure something out, getting her to the vet. But she ate a few pieces of food and drank a little bit of Pedialyte. So that is a good sign that she's starting to get a little bit better. Right, Maddie? Y'all have to give y'all an update on Bella. It's been a few days. And she is better, Mama. I feel better. I'm eating and I'm drinking again. And I feel so much better, Mom. Uh-oh. Oh, God. She's going crazy. She's scratching me. Bella. Bella. Y'all, she stinks so bad. I gotta give her a bath today. Hey, Mama, I feel so better, Mama. I feel so better, Mama. Y'all, oh my God. I got my energy back. I got my energy and my appetite back. And I feel so better. Yes, I do. Meanwhile, it's a rainy day today in my neck of the woods. And my pillows flew off from the storm. We've been having some crazy weather lately in Louisiana. Like my vase, see, it broke, it cracked because of the wind storms. But yeah, so rainy day today. Ready for breakfast? Alrighty. Make it pretty. A little pot of sugar and some syrup. And there you have it. Fish chips, and some leftovers, some dressing, and some barbecue chicken. I know y'all, I'm greedy. It's a big portion, but hey, it was a good meal. I have a sink full of dishes. I need to cut this water off. I have a sink full of dishes. My stove looks like trash, so I am going to I'm going to clean up. But I said decorate. I wish I was decorating. I ain't gonna lie. I wish I was decorating, y'all. I'm going to clean this up.
Lately I've been feeling like somebody else. Heard you moving on with someone new. My friends keep telling me that it was for the best, but I don't know if I will make it through. Cause every morning I wish you were here with me, watching the sunlight fill my room. Falling asleep at night, thinking about you and me. Why did you have to be so cruel? I guess I should have known it from the start, but baby, I was so caught up in you, picking up the pieces of my heart. Oh baby, let me hold you. I just wanna hold you. Girl, I know we said some things we didn't mean, but thought that we could figure this one out. Hate the fact that our love now is separate, but maybe someday you will realize. Cause every morning I wish you were here with me, watching the sunlight fill my room. Falling asleep at night, thinking about you and me. Why did you have to be so cruel? I guess I should have known it from the start, but baby, I was so caught up in you, picking up the pieces of my heart. Oh baby, let me hold you. I just wanna hold you. I guess I should have known it from the start.
Alright, y'all, this is another day, and it's my birthday. I am 34 years old, and guess what? I am babysitting on my birthday, but that's okay because my friend needed me, and you know, I mean, my birthdays, I don't really do much. I look at it as like another day to me, so. Well, look at the baby. She's like 1 year old. She's sleeping. But y'all, look. She loves Miss Rachel, right? So I'm about to put Miss Rachel on, and we're going to see if she wake up, because she been sleeping a long time. So we about to put Miss Rachel on, and we're going to see if she wake up. Oh, look like she waking up now. Oh, my. Let's see. Let's see. Nevertheless, today we're planning on going to eat somewhere for lunch. I don't know, we might just go to Golden Corral, somewhere simple. You know, I want to go somewhere where the kids is like, going to enjoy the food as well. So we may go to Golden Corral, or we may go to a regular restaurant. I'm not sure yet, but yeah. So that's my birthday. I'm so blessed. I'm 34 years old. I'm getting old. I'm happy to be alive. I'm happy to have breath in my lungs. And I'm just grateful. You know, I have a roof over my head. I have clothes. I have food every day. And that's all I want for my birthday. It's just me and my family to be safe, to be comfortable, and healthy. She's up, y'all. She's watching Miss Rachel. I love Miss Rachel. You like Miss Rachel, girl? Yeah. Yeah, I do. She loves Miss Rachel. See.
With my cousin.
Okay. Roblox. Oh, that's a pretty Roblox character.
With my cousin.
With your cousin?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay. Okay. Alea.
Look, Mama.
Hey, girl. She's walking so good. Leia.
Look.
Oh, that's nice. Don't you go back there. No. Oh, she loved this little corner. She loved it. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, Stinker Butt. Let's go, Stinker. Let me get you. Come on. Come on, girl. Oh my gosh, she's walking so good. Oh, don't fall, don't fall. Told y'all she love this little corner back here. She love this little situation right here. What you trying to get?
Daddy's back.
Huh? She loves it. Nothing but blankets. That's it. That's good. That's a good icy. That's some good icy. Yeah. That's some good stuff. It's the good stuff. That's some good stuff, Mama. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mama. Happy birthday to you. Boogie boo boo. And the boogie boo boo, baby. And the boogie smell good. And the boogie smell good, Mama. And the smell.